some birds in. Ready?
Hopefully.
Don't die. Might be a beach around the corner. I'd probably go to the left of that boulder. There'll be a lot of rocks just hidden underneath the water, but you just got to go for it. Oh, Daisy's just raced off. Nothing like the middle of the crossing. It's just balancing, it's about to fall off into the ocean any second. Go, go, go! Massive ferry coming. Nice. Ooh. I've never been blown. On the own private island. Tiny island just off the Isle of Iona. Go around that rock and then straight down, and then it's just cliffs until the next beach. So go right. Wow, I couldn't see a thing.
Good night.
That's mystery. Go, 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 go! Right.
My middle name is Iona, and coming here I just feel spiritual part of me raised up and sing the earth for its beauty. So a part of me died so another part of me can grow into a beautiful person. And someone of the world.
Three, two, one, go! Paddle, paddle, paddle! See, it's nice and calm by them as well, so it's no danger. It's just rocks there and waves. When sets come in, the waves are crashing a bit. So we need to get in and then out. That way, them boys, and keep miss them rocks. Can't go on this bit. You're on! Nearly done it! 50,000 million miles! There's a bit of sunburn. Did it! Right. Isle of Iona completed. And the sound of Iona completed twice. Absolutely do not know how I survived that, like genuinely.